Logan in Grand Rapids, Michigan writes to me. He says, "Hi, Paul. I'm a high school student and I'm getting ready to go to college and I'm wondering what career do you recommend? I'm trying to choose between a loudspeaker designer or an electrical engineer. I know you went the route of electrical engineer, but still, I'd value your opinion. I love designing speakers and building them, but also like designing amplifiers and preamplifiers." Well, that is a tough one, my friend, because in the end of the day, you're going to need to, it's so hard. I can tell you that if you just want to focus on being a success and making sure you're going to be okay in your employment life, then I would choose electrical engineering. Finding a job as a loudspeaker engineer is going to be really hard because there ain't many people looking for them. That said, Paul's advice has always been follow your passion. Look into your heart and see what floats your boat the best. I mean, if you look at it and think, yeah, I like doing both, but really, I get up excited in the morning when I'm designing a speaker, or I just kind of roll out of bed and get to it working on an electronic circuit, go for loudspeakers. Because when we follow our passion, if it's a burning passion, we will find a way to make it work. And that's going to bring the greatest amount of happiness to your life. And life is a journey, man. There is no end goal except to get your ass planted in the ground. So the end goal is the journey itself. So my advice has always been follow your heart, follow your passion. Don't start overthinking this whole thing because you can't figure it out. There's just too many unknowns. Figure out which one burns the brightest within you and do that. Unless, of course, you are a person, and this is fine, plenty of people like this, that just are so conservative in their nature that that's going to cause them angst and grief forever, then choose electrical engineering. I don't know, it's the best advice I can give you. All right? Good luck out there. Bye.